Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own liquidity pool on BNB Smart Chain on Pancakeswap, which is the most used DEX, without coding and in just a few seconds. Let's go directly to the process. So one important thing and some advice that I would like to give you, I have them here. These are different things you need to take on account. Okay, first of all, it's about how much supply we add to the liquidity pool. So most meme coins are at least from 50 to 80% or even 95% of the supply to the liquidity pool. 50%, around 50% will be if you are doing an hydro campaign and different things. About 80 to 95% if you are just keeping a percentage for the team and to take profit later. Okay. It's also important to try avoiding red flags. This means make your token reliable. You can do that but by not having features that will look like a honeypot, by not having the anti-bot, the anti-whale features I showed before you were creating a token, by burning the LP token. I will explain that later after creating the liquidity pool, and some other things. Okay. Also, usually when we are creating a liquidity pool, it's normal that you add at least 1 BNB so far. That will be a really pretty decent amount in order to reach a high market cap. With less than 1 BNB, it's difficult that you reach 100,000 market cap or even 1 million market cap. Okay, then you need to take on account that your token will be sniped. This means that once you launch the token, there will be bots buying it, so they will try to pump it as much as possible and then dump it. So it will look kind of bad for your graph. So you have different options to avoid them. The first one is the more liquidity you add, the less they will affect, but also the more difficult will be to grow the token. But you need to find a balance for that. You can use features like the anti-bot and the whale also for the first days of your token. And also the best way to avoid the snipers is by having buying pressure. If you have snipers but you have other people wanting to buy your token, then they won't be able to affect that much to your token. And as I said again, a really important recommendation will be burning or locking the liquidity pool NFT or token that you receive in order to make it look legit, because when you create the liquidity pool, you receive a token, okay, and you can use that token to remove the liquidity. So you withdraw the liquidity from the liquidity pool and you get that money back, and people lose their money. So that looks like a red flag, and people won't buy your token if they see that that could happen. This is important, and we will make that also later. Now let's go directly to create the liquidity pool on Pancakeswap, and we will take on account these advices I mentioned before. Okay, so for doing that, we are gonna use also Smithii tools because it's really simple doing it here. You can also create directly on Pancakeswap, but it's much more simple here and it's free. So first of all, we just need to select the base token. Okay, the base token will be the meme coin we have created just before. It's this one, water. Okay, we have it selected, and then we need to select the quote token. The quote token will be the token that gives value to our token because it already have value in the market. In this case, the most used for Binance Smart Chain is BNB. You can also use any other quote token like USDT, USDC, etc. But I will recommend you to go with BNB. Okay. Now that we have selected which are the base token and the quote token, we just need to add the liquidity. Select how much supply of our token we want to add into the liquidity pool and how much BNB we want to pair the token with. This will determine which is the token price. So if we add one token and 1 BNB, the token price will be 1 BNB, around $600. If we add 10 tokens and 1 BNB, the token price will be 0.1 BNB, which is around $60. Okay, you can make your maths. You can graph tokenomics if you need it, but for a meme coin, I will say add 90% of the liquidity pool to the liquidity pool and you are good. And at least 1 BNB, in this case, I'm gonna add also 1 BNB. We click on the create liquidity pool button. It will open the transaction. Here we can see what's gonna happen. We confirm it and our LP will be created just after these second transactions. We confirm it and our LP will be ready on Pancakeswap and people will start buying our token. Okay, we have another one where we put the BNB into the LP. Okay, we need to add a few transactions and now our token has a liquidity pool or LP has been created and we can trade our token. Okay, so that's it for today. Now you have your LP ready. It's time to promote your token and attract as much people as possible to reach that 1 million market cap target. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.